Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever tried a product that promises to keep your hair color vibrant and healthy, only to find it fading faster than you'd like? Well, today's review might just be the solution you've been searching for. We're diving into Surface Hair's best color care regimen, which includes the Trinity Shampoo, Trinity Masque, and Trinity Repair Tonic. This three-piece set claims to protect your color while maximizing hair reconstruction. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Surface Hair is known for its focus on organic ingredients, and the Trinity set is no exception. This trio is designed for those with damaged hair, especially if you're looking to maintain vibrant color while repairing hair from the inside out. The key selling point here is its promise of no fade and color protection, while also providing deep reconstruction to strengthen your hair over time. The Trinity Shampoo is sulfate-free, which is a big win for anyone trying to preserve their color. Sulfates can strip hair of its natural oils and, of course, fade color more quickly. Instead, this shampoo uses a gentle organic cleansing base that helps preserve your color while leaving your hair feeling clean but not stripped. It's packed with ingredients like quinoa protein, which helps strengthen hair from the inside. Next up is the Trinity Masque, a deeply nourishing treatment designed to restore and reconstruct damaged hair. After using it, your hair will feel softer, smoother, and more manageable. It's got the right balance of moisture and protein to target both the cuticle and the cortex, making it a great choice if you're dealing with both dryness and breakage. What I loved about this mask is how it left my hair feeling nourished without weighing it down. The texture was rich but not overly thick, and it rinsed out easily. Lastly, the Trinity Repair Tonic is a leave-in treatment that helps with the overall reconstruction of damaged hair. It's designed to target areas that are particularly dry or in need of repair. The tonic helps restore the hair's natural integrity while offering protection from heat styling and environmental stressors. The best part, it's lightweight, so it doesn't leave any greasy residue on your hair, and you can use it daily without it building up. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Incorporating this regimen into my routine was easy. I used the shampoo first, followed by the mask, and then finished with the repair tonic. My hair felt noticeably softer after just one use, and I could see a difference in the texture as well. After a few weeks of consistent use, my hair looked shinier and more resilient. And as promised, I didn't notice any color fading. It stayed vibrant, which is exactly what I need from a color care system. There are, of course, some downsides. The price point for this three-piece set is on the higher side. While the results are solid, not everyone may be willing to splurge on a luxury product. Also, the mask can feel a little heavy for those with finer hair, so it might not be ideal if you're looking for something lighter. When it comes to value for money, it's important to consider the quality and performance of the product. You're getting high-quality organic ingredients and solid performance for hair care, so the price could be justified if you're looking for long-term benefits. If you're dealing with color-treated hair or damaged strands, the reconstruction benefits could be worth the investment. In comparison to other color care systems, Surface Hair stands out with its organic ingredients and the added benefit of hair reconstruction. There are more affordable options on the market, but many don't offer the same deep repair or color-preserving benefits. So if you're serious about maintaining vibrant, healthy hair, this could be the system for you. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and looks high-end, which reflects the overall premium feel of the brand. The products feel luxurious, and the design fits with the professional-grade hair care experience they promise. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't needed to reach out personally, but Surface Hair has a reputation for great service and handling inquiries promptly. Their dedication to quality ingredients and customer satisfaction shines through in their product line. I haven't seen any updates to the Trinity set recently, but if any new improvements or reformulations are made, they would likely enhance the overall experience even more. Now, if you're hesitant about the price, there are alternatives out there. Brands like Pureology or Oribe offer similar color care products with comparable benefits. However, if you're looking for a luxurious, organic option that focuses on both color preservation and hair repair, the Surface Trinity set is hard to beat. In conclusion, this 3-piece set from Surface Hair is a solid choice if you're looking for something that works to maintain your color and reconstruct damaged strands. If you're committed to keeping your hair in top shape, the Trinity Regimen will likely be a great fit for your routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.